In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana. Custom fields let you track the exact details your team cares about, things like priority, budget, or client type, right alongside your tasks. Let's set one up together from start to finish so you can standardize how work is captured and reported. Start by opening Asana to the home page so you're in a familiar starting point. From there, click into My Tasks. This view makes it easy to spot the tools we need and mirrors what you'll see in most projects. Look to the right side of the screen for the Customize button. This is where Asana keeps controls for layout, sections, and the fields we're about to create. Go ahead and open Customize, then choose Fields in the panel that appears. This section lists the fields currently available in the view you're working in. Click Add to begin creating a new one. You'll see options to use existing fields, but for now, select Create New so we can build it from scratch. Give your field a clear, specific title. Think about how it will read in a task and in reports. For example, priority, budget, or client segment are concise and unambiguous. Consistent naming helps teammates recognize and use the field correctly. Next, choose the field type that matches the data you want to capture. Use a drop-down for standardized choices like high, medium, and low, a text field for freeform notes, or a number if you want to track quantities or budgets. The type you pick determines how you can sort and report later, so choose with your end goal in mind. You'll now see options tied to that type. For a drop-down, add each option as a separate choice and assign colors to make scanning your list faster. Keep options mutually exclusive and short to avoid confusion. For a number, consider the display format if it's available, such as whole numbers or decimals. If you plan to reuse this field across multiple projects, turn on Add to My Workspaces field library. This makes the field discoverable and consistent everywhere, which is great for portfolio-level reporting. You can also decide whether to notify collaborators when this field's value is changed. Enable this when the field represents something critical, like approval status, so stakeholders stay informed without manual pings. When everything looks good, click Create Field. Your new field will appear in your view and in the task details, ready to use. That's all it takes. With a clear title, the right type, thoughtful options, and smart notification settings, your team can capture richer data and make smarter decisions directly in Asana.